Samsung is finally ready to make the Galaxy A55 official. There have been many signs that the launch of the new mid-range phone is almost upon us, and we can now see it in the flesh thanks to images of what look like retail units in various colors. While there is no official information on when Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy A55, we're getting more evidence that the phone could be unveiled around the same time its predecessor was announced last year. The Galaxy A55 is said to come with a new design element, a small bump where the volume and power keys are, which is being addressed by leakers as the Key Island. Here is a leaked render showcasing this so-called Key Island on the A55. You can probably tell that there is a sharp slope at the two ends of this Key Island, which blends into the rest of the aluminum frame. However, the A55 will have one key design upgrade: a metal frame instead of a plastic one that will work with the glass back to enhance the in-hand feel. The Galaxy A55 come with slightly better protection for its glass, rocking Gorilla Glass Victus versus the A54 Gorilla Glass 5. One of the few upgrades that the A55 is said to bring is the next generation of that chipset, namely the Exynos 1480 that's built in the 4nm process. The Exynos 1480 is in the same ballpark as Qualcomm's mid-range silicone, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Just how big of a jump in performance the new chip will bring is unclear yet. No matter how much better the Exynos 1480 is, it will likely still be a mid-range processor that is not impressive compared to the competition. We expect the A55 to come with slightly more RAM though, going to 8GB from the 6GB on the A54. As for storage, the device comes with 128GB with the base version. The Galaxy A55 should run One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. The A55 is also likely to be the first Samsung phone after the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra to come with One UI 6.1 out of the box. However, it remains to be seen if the A55 will have some of the AI features that make the Galaxy S24 series stand out from the competition. For capturing photos and videos, the Galaxy A55 will feature a 50-megapixel primary camera at the back, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The battery will be a 5000 mAh with support for 25-watt charging. A 55 5G is expected to launch in early 2024, and the price is not yet confirmed. However, based on the previous model, we can expect it to be around $500. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.